Speaking of the shape that Will Smith is currently in, here we have a 240-pound river monster fish.
Wow.
It's in the same shape as Will Smith right now. I actually, when I placed these tabs next to each other, it didn't cross my mind that he was posting himself out of look. This is me anyways. I could be either of these. I could be the river monster. Apparently, this monster fish they caught in Detroit, they believe has been roaming that water for over 100 years.
Wow.
That this fish would have hatched back in 1920.
How would they find that out?
Well, they have a number of measurements they can take. Like you can see actually his tools right there. There's a measuring tape and some other kind of analysis tool. That this particular fish, the females specifically, apparently can live up to 150 years old.
Oh, so they just keep growing. They don't shrivel up when they get old.
No.
Get arthritis or something. Get wrinkles in the face.
I don't think so. I think they slow down a little bit. Actually, they say when they caught this one, it wasn't much of a fight.
Oh.
So they could slow down a little bit, but it's actually pretty impressive. The other interesting thing is the difference in lifespan, male to female. The male goes for 55 years, the female 80 to 150. Oh. That's quite a huge difference there. They say she was tired out and didn't fight us very much. And this is an endangered species, this lake sturgeon.
Oh.
So that's why they track them.
They decide to catch the biggest one?
No, they'll put it back. They're going to put it back.
I thought they were going to eat it.
No. They're trying to figure out, they're studying, right, to see what's in there and what's healthy and how long it's living and all this stuff.
Are they going to name it? Do you think?
They probably would give it a name, I would think, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what it says here. They believe 28,000 lake sturgeon use the St. Clair Detroit River system. And of those fish, about 5,500 come from the Detroit River. The population has significantly declined, but it is still one of the largest in the Great Lakes. And so anyway, they're trying to protect the habitat, protect whatever they got over there. But this one here, 6 foot 10 inches,
Jeez.
240 pounds, female that hatched all the way back in 1920, they believe. So
Very cool.
I don't know about you, Will, but that's a fish right there.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't make any